One way to cool off after a hot summer day when you're craving something sweet is to make a fruit smoothie. After buying hundreds of smoothies from Tropical Smoothie Cafe in North Ankeny, I finally decided to look up a copycat recipe for the Sunrise Sunset smoothie, and this one did not disappoint. Their smoothies are a perfect way for anyone and everyone to beat their sugar cravings and have natural sugars instead and cool off on a hot summer day. Throughout this video, I'm going to show you all how to make a smoothie and the ingredients you're going to need to make this tropical smoothie inspired smoothie from Lindsay, the mom of Moscato Mom's blog. To make this smoothie, it only requires a few tools. You're going to need your blender, of course, and a cup and the blades that go with it. And in this case, I use my NutriBullet because it makes it super easy to only make one serving and not have to worry about making a ton extra. And then besides that, you're going to need your electricity. And I am all about using stainless steel straws lately so I can save the ocean and not use my plastic straws. Those are all the tools you're going to need besides your electricity, of course. And now we're going to move on to the ingredients you're going to need. The ingredients can really depend on what you want to put in it, but the main ingredients in this are 3 cups of peeled and cubed oranges, 1 mango cut up, 2 cups of strawberries, and 1 cup of pineapple, and then 2 cups of ice. I tend to use frozen fruits just because they're a lot cheaper than buying fresh fruits all the time, and they're a lot easier to keep on hand when you can just throw them in the freezer and not have to worry about them going bad. But any type of fruit is perfect. Just whatever you have on hand. So now we can get to making. The actual making of the smoothie is pretty easy. You're going to put your oranges in last, in my case, because the blades are on the bottom. So you just throw all of your ingredients in your blender cup. My goodness. And for a NutriBullet, you're going to twist the lid on and push it in. And the way that you know it's done is when the smoothie starts to swirl on top and you can tell that all the ingredients are mixed in. And here you go. Perfect. It's a perfect consistency and everything. And the reason that you put the oranges at the bottom is so that the juices in the oranges make up for not having any water or milk or anything. And I highly recommend adding in spinach if you have any, because you can't taste it and it allows you to add in some extra vegetables. And let's be honest, according to Faith Duran from the Kitchen website, only about 27% of adults in 2010 were hitting their daily recommended veggies intake. So some extra spinach won't hurt. So after I already have the smoothie mixed up and have some extra room, I'm going to pop that on and blend it up really quick. And now the best part, you can throw your straw in and drink your smoothie. It's a pretty easy process, and now your smoothie is perfect and ready for you to enjoy. And yes, making a smoothie that is sugar-free and can help you beat the summer heat is just that easy. Thank you for watching my demo speech, and I hope next time, instead of buying a smoothie from Tropical Smoothie Cafe, you opt to make one at home.